3 years old, my mum and dad brought me a Pee-wee 50, and yeah, from that day I've loved it ever since. It was pretty cool. We lived in a 2-storey house, so they brought it up to the Christmas tree for Christmas, and I was so excited. It's from that day really, that's all I've wanted to do is race bikes, and yeah, every day is better. When I was around 7 years old, I started watching it on TV a lot and realised that you could do it as a job. Probably since 7 years old I wanted to be a professional. Most important would be my father, because he's my mechanic and helps me and tells me what to do on track and that, and without him it would be hard to get good results and be competitive. Mum's fully supports it, and she's working hard in Australia, and it's a shame she can't be here, but she loves it. I'm in the Red Baruchis this year, so it would have been too hard to fly from Australia to Europe every few weeks. So Jack Miller, the MotoGP rider, offered us to stay at his house in Andorra. So yeah, it was a great opportunity because now I can train with him and ride together with him, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. Well, obviously he's an idol, but he's a great friend and helps out a lot. An Asia Talent Cup would be to always fight for the race win, but in life to hopefully one day become a MotoGP rider and retire as a MotoGP rider and live a good life.